guys, so today we'll be talking about how to take care of our smelling fridge. So if your fridge has an awful odor and for some reasons you don't feel like cleaning it immediately, or maybe you don't have the time to clean it, well, I'll be showing you in this video how to take care of that odor or that smell from the fridge without actually having to clean it. So all you need to get is bicarbonate soda bicarbonate anyhow you want to call it. So that's all you need to get. Then you get a container. You can get any type of container, so I'll be using this. So I'm just going to turn this inside the container like this. Now for any amount, it's not a must to fill the whole container. So it can be this small, it can be more than this, it can be maybe less than this or this. Then I'll show you how to just put it in the fridge, and that's all. You close the fridge and you allow it to do its work there. You don't need to add anything to it. All you need to do is to just pour this inside the container and look for a space in your fridge to put it and allow it to take care of the smell. Come back in the next, let me say 30 minutes, and the smell will be there. You won't be able to perceive anything again. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Also, let us know in the comment section if you've tried this trick before. Did it work for you? Because obviously, like seriously, it worked for me actually. I'm not saying my fridge is smelling before. Yeah, I've tried it before and it actually worked. So like I said, this is all you need to add to it. So this is soda, bicarbonate of soda. So that is just it. You just add it to a container. As you can see, there's nothing there apart from the soda. So just add it to a container. Baking soda, or you just add baking soda to a container and then you put it inside your fridge. So this is just it. There's nothing else here apart from baking soda. So I just added a little of this to this plastic, and I'm going to be putting it in my fridge. So come with me, let me show you how I'm going to put it. So you just take it to your fridge like this, and then you can drop it anywhere. Actually, you can drop it anywhere, and then after dropping it, you just close the fridge, and that is all. You can drop it up, down, anywhere at all. It's going to absorb the whole smell and to leave your fridge smelling nice or without unpleasant smell. So that is just it. Very easy and very simple. Thank you. Please turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also, we have so many interesting contents in our channel. We have so many educational stuffs, we have so many DIYs, we have so many food videos, we have so many beauty videos, we have so many exercises and all of that there in our channel. So please feel free to check out our content and let us know what you think, and also feel free to make a request of the video you want to see, and we'll try our possible best to do it. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.